What's up, everybody? It's your boy Reggie Casual. I am not happy this morning. I don't feel great. But welcome to Streets Mini, where I'm gonna be taking you on this little road trip. Got the homies in here. Got a surprise for you. One of the homies that you may know about. He's not that important though. Thinks he is. He's laughing. I'm not laughing. Anyway, we're about to go see something really cool. It's gonna take us about 3 hours to do that because we're still in Tokyo proper. But we got the jams. We do got the jams in here, don't we? Anyway, yeah. Yeah, this is all gonna be in the video because I think it's hilarious and I don't ever vlog. I know you guys want me to vlog out there, so that's what we're gonna do. In any case, I'm eating, what is this? Karaage-bo? Karaage-bo ne? Which is excellent. You can just get these at 7-Eleven. So this is our food for streets.
For 110 yen?
This is like 110 yen. Really good. All right, so let's get it. All right, so we're at this nice, crazy rest stop. There's a ton of stuff here, but every time I go to rest stops and stuff, I always get gyukushi. And it's so good. And basically, it's just meat. That's it, meat and salt on it. But it's not the best you can get. A lot of times when you go to like festivals here in Japan, or matsuri, みたいな感じ, you'll have stuff that's way tastier than this. Because this is kind of a rest stop, you're getting like the regular kind. So just remember, whenever you see this, eat it. So what's up, everybody? We finally made it to the base of Mount Fuji, and surprise, that's my surprise for you guys today. We are sitting at the KAWS Lane Companion at KAWS Holiday. It has finally made its way to Japan, all the way out here in the boonies, but luckily it's right at Mount Fuji, so you're getting great scenery. It's not the best of days here, but beyond that, there's much more deeper story to be told. And I have a guest here today that is going to explain all of that. So we're gonna see a little bit of sights, get a little bit of sound, and just take in the experience. So, without further ado, let's get it. When you're talking about iconic places in Japan to go and do anything, any installation, Mount Fuji has to be that #1. And it's active as well, which gives it even more reverence as something that's alive, something that's a part of the fabric of Japan. For KAWS to come out here and surrounded by mountains, it just seems like that you're not only in a place that's impressive, but you're also in a place that has some kind of spiritual reverence to it, whether you take to that or not. But coming to Fuji, KAWS or not, should be on your bucket list. Both me and my guest were extremely surprised at how chill it was. It wasn't hype, it wasn't filled with people just trying to take pictures with the KAWS Companion. There are genuine people out here camping, taking in Mount Fuji, and KAWS just happens to be here. And that is probably the best thing about it.
Hey, what's up? This is Landy, aka LDN2HK. You might know me from my Instagram, where I travel the world showing fashion, streetwear, culture, design, and art all around the world. For the last 2 years, I've been living in Tokyo, Japan, and it's been dope just showing all the great culture and food and everything it has to offer. And so for this special episode of The Streets, I'm happy to link up with my boy Reggie to talk about KAWS Holiday out here in Mount Fuji. Today's fit, I started with the Jordan 4. I really wish I had the KAWS 4s, but instead I decided to rock the OG white cement colorway. To complement the Jordan 4s, I'm rocking the Saint Laurent rinse colored wash. The tapered fit and the stacking really sets off the sneakers. I'm always accessorizing, so I add my Rolex and a Goros piece. My Goros is roughly 10 years old, and it's got that nice patina, aged over time. The t-shirt I'm rocking today, I don't want to say it's vintage, but it's a 2011 era original fake t-shirt in collaboration with Fragment Design. The design graphic on the t-shirt is a callback to KAWS' early days as a street artist in New York City when he used to subvert advertising on bus stops and subways. The last part of my fit is the Kif Treats hat, special edition for Tokyo only. So I'm standing in front of KAWS Holiday. This is the KAWS Holiday exhibition in Tokyo, Japan, after doing several exhibitions throughout Asia, including Taipei, Seoul, and Hong Kong. It's actually amazing to see this happen here because it's come full circle for KAWS as an artist. As one of the biggest names in streetwear today, he's grown from a graffiti artist in New York, but his career would have been nothing without Japan. After growing in prominence in the street art scene in the 1990s, he was approached in 1999 by Bounty Hunter. Many of you know, Bounty Hunter is one of the most OG streetwear, fashion, and design and art toy labels from Tokyo, Japan. They collaborated back in 1999 to sell some of his artwork and his early vinyl figurines related to the KAWS Companion. Since then, his network has expanded in Japan. It was in 2005 that Wonderwall approached him to open up a store. And to do that, he had to launch his own label, which was the very first label that KAWS had, which was called Original Fake, the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. So when KAWS launched Original Fake, he did it with the help of Nexus 7, which is one of the original streetwear labels from Japan, well known for their tech wear. And through that network, he's been able to do several collaborations, including Fragment Design, Bake, Porter. After a successful run, what I would call the golden age of streetwear in Japan, in the mid-2000s, he closed the label out in 2013. That was about the same time that Nigo shut down Bathing Ape and he sold it to IT. And with his collaboration with Uniqlo, he's been able to expand his notoriety and his market to a much more general audience. Unique to Japan camping only, you got the KAWS Holiday exhibition with a ramen truck. The whole truck itself is wrapped with a KAWS motif with the companion design all over it. And for the truck, it's for 1,500 yen, which is about 12 bucks for a bowl of ramen, or for 3,000 yen, which is about $25, you can get the special limited edition chopsticks. Unfortunately, Reggie and I got here a little bit late, so it's a bit closed. I don't think we'll get to try the ramen, which is unfortunate.
All right, so yeah, I told you guys I got your boy Landy here. That was the special guest. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode of Streets. We didn't do any crazy food today, but it was just food that we had on the road. What did you eat today?
I had a latte burger. That was at the rest stop.
A latte burger. Yeah, he gave me some fries. Yo, I'm a stickler for fries. Like when you live in Japan for a long time, like you eat Japanese food for sure. For sure. Like you're always eating Japanese food, but like a lot of the time, because the fast food is very similar to Western food, we eat that as well.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So there you go. Anyway, so you saw some of the food that we ate today. That's some of the food that you're gonna be eating, you know, traveling when you're in Japan. But you also caught a nice glimpse of the KAWS Holiday, and Landy was gracious enough to explain that entire history to you, because I wasn't gonna do it.
Well, I just want to say, was a huge fan of your show. And when he invited me to come out and do something special in this KAWS exhibit, it made complete sense. So us living in Tokyo, being big fans of the street culture and being able to share the heritage and the knowledge, which is really important for both of us. We have that shared passion. Right. It's actually amazing, and so I really appreciate you having me on the show.
Yeah, I'm appreciating. Like seriously, I appreciate you being as just informative as you do. Like that's what the casual is all about. So in case you guys just didn't know, if you're here for the first time, that's what we're all about. It's like connecting with people and information and really dissecting street culture. So even though, you know, we come from, we're very similar in some worlds, and a lot of other worlds we're not. Like we kind of are interested in the same thing, but it's like the same knowledge base, right?
Yeah.
Like, so we came from the same knowledge base and almost like the same generation.
Yeah, that's what's amazing about street culture and street fashion. It just brings people all together. Whereas my Instagram account, which is, you know, is LDN2HK, or your YouTube channel,
right?
We're just being able to spread the knowledge of what we're happy to just share, because we think that it's more powerful. We want people to know when they're buying something or they're getting into the culture that, hey, even if you're new, it's okay,
right?
And you just want to learn about it, that's even better. So as long as you take the effort and just not being surface level to the culture, it's about lifting it up and helping each other. And it's always great, again, when we can link up with mutual people and mutual like-minded people all around the world.
Yeah, absolutely. So hopefully we'll see you again on the channel, maybe
if
one
you'll
day.
Have me.
Of course, you know that's gonna. I don't even know what to say in that situation. Anyway, you guys know what it is. Keep it locked right here for all of your info on international street fashion and culture from Tokyo. It's your boy, and keep it casual. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. I'll see you guys in a minute. Be out of here, Landy. Let's go.
What do you do with your hands? I'm like Ricky Bobby, like.
That's so serious.
All right.